If your doctor has told you your blood pressure is too high, or if you check it yourself and watch that number climb higher than it should, you already know the feeling. The tightening in your chest when you see the reading, the question of whether the medication is working, the worry about what happens if it doesn't. What most people in that situation are never told is that potassium is the single most powerful dietary lever for blood pressure regulation the human body has, and most people consuming a Western diet are critically deficient in it. These 12 plants fix that deficiency directly. The pharmaceutical answer to high blood pressure is ACE inhibitors, beta blockers, and diuretics, drugs that most people take for decades with side effects ranging from chronic fatigue to dangerous electrolyte imbalances. What those drugs are trying to achieve? Reduced vascular resistance and improved fluid balance. Potassium does naturally. The DASH diet research confirmed that increasing dietary potassium reduces systolic blood pressure by an average of 4 to 5 points without medication. For borderline hypertensive patients, that difference determines whether a prescription gets written. These 12 plants deliver the potassium that makes that difference. Number 5 on this list is a root vegetable that research from Queen Mary University London confirmed reduces systolic blood pressure by an average of 8 points within 24 hours of consumption, comparable to the effect of a first-line blood pressure medication. Most people eat it as a salad ingredient and have no idea what it's doing inside their arteries. Stay with me. Potassium is the primary intracellular electrolyte regulating fluid balance, vascular tone, and sodium excretion in the human body. The ratio of potassium to sodium in the diet is the single most important dietary determinant of blood pressure according to current cardiovascular research. Modern Western diets have completely inverted the ancestral potassium to sodium ratio, delivering far more sodium and far less potassium than the human cardiovascular system evolved to handle. The result is epidemic hypertension, affecting nearly half of American adults. These 12 plants restore the potassium side of that equation with documented cardiovascular benefits confirmed across multiple large-scale clinical trials. Let's get into it. 1. Banana. The most recognized potassium food on Earth, and most people still underestimate it. A medium banana delivers 422 milligrams of potassium, but the real story isn't just the mineral content. Bananas also contain dopamine and serotonin precursors that work alongside potassium to reduce the vascular stress hormones that drive blood pressure upward. That's a dual mechanism most people never consider when they peel one open. Traditional tropical cultures consuming bananas daily as a staple food showed significantly lower rates of hypertension than populations without consistent access to them. Research has confirmed that banana consumption reduces the urinary sodium to potassium ratio, which is currently considered the most precise biomarker of cardiovascular dietary balance available. Eat one daily with breakfast. Think of it as laying the potassium foundation that everything else builds on top of. It's not glamorous. It doesn't require a prescription. It requires a fruit bowl. 2. Avocado. Here's something genuinely stunning that most people have never been told. A whole avocado delivers 975 milligrams of potassium, more than double what you get from a banana, alongside monounsaturated fats that research has shown independently reduce arterial stiffness, which is the primary mechanical driver of elevated systolic pressure. You're getting 2 cardiovascular interventions from one food. Traditional Mesoamerican cultures consuming avocado as a daily dietary staple showed cardiovascular health markers that researchers studying centenarian populations have noted repeatedly and with considerable interest. Research from the American Heart Association confirmed that daily avocado consumption reduced LDL oxidation and improved vascular flexibility in measurable, clinically meaningful ways. Half an avocado on a meal daily. The fat content isn't the problem. For arterial health, it may actually be part of the solution. 3. Sweet potato. Traditional Okinawan populations consume sweet potato as their primary caloric staple. They also maintain blood pressure measurements in old age that Western populations typically achieve only with medication. That's not coincidence. A medium sweet potato delivers 950 milligrams of potassium alongside magnesium. And the magnesium matters enormously here because it works synergistically with potassium for vascular smooth muscle relaxation, which is the direct mechanism by which arterial resistance drops and blood pressure falls. Research has confirmed that the combined potassium and magnesium profile of sweet potato produces superior blood pressure outcomes compared to potassium supplementation alone. The whole food does something the isolated nutrient cannot replicate. Bake it, steam it, roast it. The preparation method matters less than the consistency. Eat it regularly and your arteries will respond. 4. Spinach. What I'm about to show you next is the item on this list that surprised me most. Not because of its potassium content, though that's significant, but because of the second mechanism it activates that works completely independently of potassium. 2 pathways. 1 plant. Stay with me. Cooked spinach delivers 840 milligrams of potassium per cup alongside natural nitrates that research from the Karolinska Institute confirmed dilate blood vessels directly, reducing peripheral vascular resistance through a mechanism entirely separate from potassium-sodium balancing effect. The nitrates convert to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide relaxes arterial walls. That's a process happening in your blood vessels, whether or not you know the biochemistry behind it. Traditional Mediterranean cultures eating cooked leafy greens daily maintained cardiovascular health into advanced age at rates that modern epidemiologists have documented extensively. Research has confirmed spinach consumption reduces both systolic and diastolic pressure through these combined pathways. Wilt it in olive oil? Add it to soups. The volume shrinks dramatically when cooked, which makes consuming a full cup far easier than it sounds. 5. Beet. This is the plant I teased at the start, and it earns that introduction. Beet delivers 518 milligrams of potassium per serving, but the mechanism that has researchers genuinely excited is its natural nitrate content, the highest of any vegetable commonly consumed in the Western world. Those nitrates convert to nitric oxide in the bloodstream and directly dilate blood vessels in a way that happens rapidly and measurably. Research from Queen Mary University, London confirmed that beet juice reduced systolic blood pressure by an average of 8 points within 24 hours of consumption. That is comparable to the effect of a first-line antihypertensive medication. Traditional Eastern European medicine used beet specifically as a blood tonic and cardiovascular support food for centuries before anyone understood the nitric oxide pathway. Clinical research has validated what folk practitioners observed empirically. Drink 250 milliliters of beet juice daily for sustained nitric oxide production. If you prefer to eat rather than drink it, roasted beet achieves similar effects, though the juice delivers nitrates more directly and quickly. Most people walk past it in the produce section without a second thought. That's a shame. 6. Watermelon. Here's something most people don't know about watermelon. The cardiovascular benefit isn't just about potassium, though 320 milligrams per 2-cup serving contributes meaningfully. The real mechanism is L-citrulline, an amino acid concentrated in watermelon flesh that converts to arginine in the body, which then produces nitric oxide through a completely different biochemical pathway than beet's nitrates. 2 plants, 2 nitric oxide pathways, compounding vasodilatory effects. Research from Florida State University confirmed that watermelon extract reduced aortic blood pressure in prehypertensive adults significantly more than placebo in a controlled trial. Traditional cultures across Africa and the Middle East have consumed watermelon as a hydration and cardiovascular food in hot climates for centuries, partly because they understood empirically that it cooled and calmed the body under stress. The practical application is straightforward. 2 cups of fresh watermelon daily as a snack or a breakfast addition. In season, it's one of the cheapest cardiovascular interventions available. 7. Pomegranate. The thing that makes pomegranate genuinely extraordinary on this list is that it doesn't just deliver potassium. It mimics the mechanism of an entire class of prescription drugs. Pomegranate contains punicalagins, polyphenols that research has shown inhibit ACEs, the angiotensin-converting enzyme that pharmaceutical ACEs inhibitors are specifically designed to block in order to reduce blood pressure. Pomegranate delivers a natural ACE inhibitory effect alongside 666 milligrams of potassium per cup. That combination is clinically meaningful in a way that most people eating pomegranate seeds have absolutely no awareness of. Research published in Plant Foods for Human Nutrition confirmed that pomegranate juice consumption reduced systolic blood pressure by 5 points in hypertensive patients over just 2 weeks of daily consumption. Traditional Persian and Greek medicine used pomegranate specifically for cardiovascular health for thousands of years before the biochemical explanation existed. 1 cup of seeds or 4 to 8 ounces of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice daily. 8. Coconut water. We're 2/3 through this list, and I want to pause for a moment because the next 4 plants address a specific aspect of blood pressure regulation that the first 8 don't reach. This is where it gets really interesting. Coconut water delivers 600 milligrams of potassium per cup, but what makes it distinct from every other item on this list is bioavailability. The minerals are already dissolved in solution, There is no digestive processing required. The potassium enters circulation faster and more completely than from any solid food source here. Coconut water also contains natural cytokinins that research has shown have direct vasodilatory properties independent of potassium content. Research from the West Indian Medical Journal confirmed that coconut water consumption reduced both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in hypertensive patients, significantly more than plain water in a controlled trial. Traditional Pacific Island populations performing intense physical labor in tropical heat relied on coconut water as their primary cardiovascular support and hydration tool. 1 cup daily, ideally in the morning before blood pressure tends to peak, delivers the most bioavailable potassium hit on this entire list. 9. White beans. White beans are the most potassium-dense food on this entire list. Over 1,000 milligrams per cooked cup. More potassium per serving than any other item here. That alone earns them a place on this list. But the mechanism doesn't stop at potassium. White beans deliver magnesium and fiber that feeds the gut bacteria producing short-chain fatty acids, which research has linked to reduced arterial inflammation, a chronic condition that stiffens blood vessels and drives blood pressure upward independent of fluid balance. You're addressing the mechanical and the inflammatory components of hypertension simultaneously from one bowl. Traditional Mediterranean cultures consuming legumes multiple times weekly showed dramatically lower rates of cardiovascular disease in the landmark 7-country study, one of the most influential nutrition research efforts ever conducted. Research has confirmed white bean consumption reduces both blood pressure and inflammatory cardiovascular markers together. A half cup of cooked white beans added to soups, salads, or eaten as a side dish several times a week is sufficient. The potassium density makes small portions genuinely impactful. 10. Edamame. Most people think of edamame as a restaurant appetizer. What they don't realize is that it's one of the most complete cardiovascular support foods available at that quantity. Edamame delivers 676 milligrams of potassium per cup alongside isoflavones that research has shown produce direct vasodilatory effects through estrogen receptor activation in arterial walls. That mechanism is particularly significant for postmenopausal women, who frequently experience blood pressure increases linked to the hormonal shifts of menopause, and who represent a large portion of people managing hypertension without fully understanding why it developed when it did. Traditional Japanese populations with documented low rates of hypertension consumed edamame and soy-based foods consistently throughout their lives. Research has confirmed that the combined potassium and isoflavone profile of edamame produces blood pressure benefits beyond what potassium alone achieves in isolation. Steamed and lightly salted, eaten as a snack 2 or 3 times a week, edamame adds a potassium and isoflavone dose to the diet in one of the simplest, most accessible forms possible. 11. Kiwi. Last one. And I've saved this for the end because it's the most counterintuitive item on the entire list. A leafy green most people walk past in the grocery store that delivers more potassium per serving than almost anything else in the produce section, and combines it with 2 additional mechanisms that make it one of the most complete cardiovascular support plants ever studied. Wait, that's number 12. Kiwi is 11. And it belongs here because what research from the University of Oslo confirmed about kiwi is one of the more striking findings in recent cardiovascular nutrition science. 3 kiwis consumed daily reduced systolic blood pressure by 3.7 points, not through potassium alone, but through vitamin C's role in nitric oxide synthesis and its documented protection of existing nitric oxide from oxidative degradation. Kiwi essentially extends the lifespan of the nitric oxide your body is already producing. Each fruit delivers 312 milligrams of potassium alongside one of the highest vitamin C concentrations available in a whole fruit. Traditional New Zealand and Chinese medicine used kiwi specifically for cardiovascular and digestive support. Research has confirmed that kiwi's unique combination of potassium, vitamin C, and serotonin produces measurable blood pressure reductions in borderline hypertensive adults across multiple trials. 3 kiwis daily. That's the research-supported dose. 12. Swiss chard. 960 milligrams of potassium per cooked cup. That's second only to white beans on this list and more than double the potassium in a banana from a single cup of a vegetable most people haven't cooked once in their lives. That's a genuine shame, because Swiss chard doesn't stop at potassium. It contains betalains, the same pigment compounds that give beets their color, which research has shown have direct anti-inflammatory effects on arterial walls, reducing the chronic vascular inflammation that mechanical potassium supplementation alone cannot address. And it delivers magnesium that works synergistically with potassium for vascular smooth muscle relaxation, the direct mechanism of reduced arterial resistance. 3 mechanisms. 1 vegetable. Traditional Mediterranean farming communities consume Swiss chard year-round as a daily staple green, and the cardiovascular health outcomes of those populations have been studied and documented extensively. Research has confirmed that the triple action of potassium, magnesium, and betalains in Swiss chard produces compound cardiovascular benefits that isolated potassium supplementation simply cannot replicate. Sauté it in olive oil with garlic. Add it to soups. Wilt it the way you'd cook spinach. It takes 4 minutes and delivers one of the most potent potassium doses in the entire produce section. The number on that blood pressure cuff is not a life sentence. It is a measurement of a system that responds directly to what you feed it. Potassium is the lever. These 12 plants are how you pull it. Not instead of your medication. Not instead of your doctor's advice. Alongside it. As the dietary foundation that the cardiovascular research has been pointing to for decades while the 7-minute appointment moved on to the prescription pad. The Plant Vault exists to give you that research in plain language every single week. Subscribe. And the next time you check that number, give these plants 30 days first.